The Nike Air Max 90 Tattoo, light violet, white and burgundy crush brings a fresh twist to a classic silhouette with its rich mix of textures and colors. The upper features smooth white leather paired with a light violet, tattoo-style overlay that adds depth and visual detail. Wrapping the exterior is a burgundy crushed panel with a crocodile-like embossing, giving the sneaker a premium and eye-catching finish. The swoosh comes in a deep grape tone, balancing the overall palette with a subtle, calming touch. The midsole mixes clean white tones with burgundy accents, highlighting the iconic visible air unit that the Air Max 90 has been known for since 1990. Underneath, a solid burgundy outsole with fluid line patterns adds grip and a bold foundation. Even the heel logo carries the crocodile texture for a powerful final touch. With its layered construction, modern materials, and soft purple hues, this pair delivers a refined look that fits both everyday style and streetwear.